Hey y'all, it's France back with another video. So right now I'm using the Per 4-in-1 Selfie foundation and concealer on my eyebrows. I'm just carving out the bottom of them so they look a little more cleaned up. Next I'm going to go in with the ABH eye primer, and then I'm going to set it with the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. Now I'm going in with my favorite palette my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day, the AMREZY palette. I'm taking the shade OG and I'm just putting that all over my crease. I'm going in with the shade 1988 now, and I'm just putting that on the outer corner of my lid. Now for the star of the show, I'm going in with the shade Leo, and I'm just gonna pop that on my lid, and wow, that has so much pigment, you guys. Now I'm going in with Yugo. It's the darkest brown in the palette. I'm just gonna put that on my crease to darken it and define it more. I'm gonna use my favorite color in the palette. It's called Barb. It's like so pretty in person. It looks wet, like the formula is so good. I'm using the It Your Skin But Better primer, oil free. I'm just putting that all over my face. And I use the Neutrogena Healthy Skin foundation in the shade Nude 40. I'm just going in with some loose setting powder on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just putting that all over my face. Then I'm using my Sephora bronzer in the shade Canary Islands. Yeah, I'm just putting that on my cheekbones. I'm using the Lovely Duo Glow Blush, and I'm putting that on the apple of my cheeks. I'm using my Urban Decay setting spray and just spraying that on my highlighting brush. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Barb in the AMREZY palette, and I'm going to use that as a highlighter. And oh my god, it is so good. I'm taking some more setting powder. I'm just going underneath my contour and sharpening it up. I'm just using my Better Than Sex mascara. I'm setting my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And for lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star lipstick in the color Celebrity Skin. And this is the final result, you guys. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.